Alright. We got the whipped cream.
We have 1½ cups of pecorino romano. We're going to use half a cup of pecorino for the sauce and then the rest of it for the
You see the mustache? The whipped cream mustache?
Alright, now, let's just give it a good taste.
You go nuts!
It's definitely spicy. The papa should like it. Let's check it out.
You're not right. Can you say goodbye? Can you wave bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Come on, you know how. Say bye-bye.